Hey, it's Stu. How you doing? I'm at the grill right now. It's grilling season. I'm here with Art White. Art, how many years you been here?
34 years at Stu Leonard.
And Marcy's over here doing. What are you doing over there?
I'm giving my London broil.
London broils for our buffet here at the store. Marcy, how many years have you been at Stu?
15.
15 years. So anyway, but what I want to show you is look at this. Our beautiful filet mignons right here. Okay, aren't they fantastic? But we have something really cool for you coming out this year. Guess what this is? This is a filet mignon burger right here, okay? So what we have done is created a beautiful blend of meat using the prime ingredient filet mignon right here. You don't need to do this and put this inside a bun. We have this right here, which is our brand new Stu Leonard's filet mignon burger right there. So what Art and I are going to do right here is try one of these guys, okay? We're going to do a taste test for you. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? They have the Kobe beef burger also, which is from Japan, which is one of the best beef burgers that you can buy. We have had all of our meat people and our chefs together. And what we've tried to do is put together what we thought was the best tasting beef burger. So here we go. Art,
All right.
grab it. Okay, we're going to let you know what we think here.
Wow.
Unbelievable. You're getting a juicy. Where's the napkin?
Oh my gosh, so good.
Okay. Okay. It's juicy. It's got a great burger flavor.
So tender too from the line.
Okay. It's perfect for the grill. You guys are gonna love it. Cheers. Okay, Art. Here's the Stu Leonard's Filet Mignon Burger for the grill. Filet Mignon. Mixed right in here. You'll love it, okay? Have a great grilling season.